What am I doing? Intro. Hello. What the fuck do I say? Yeah, makes me smile. Yeah, makes me smile. I felt bad for a while. Punched you in the eye. Hi everyone, we're doing a bacon. We have marshmallows. That's what Lily told me to say. Have I done it? I think so, huh? Can we do it in a phone back? Can you make the mixture in the phone back? Hi! This is a great song. Should I do half the portion? Oh shit. This is for 16 servings. 16 servings, should we do half of it? Huh? Ow! Oh my god! Should we do half the, should we do 8 or 16 servings?
You need to see my mouth, don't you?
So we do 8 servings. 16 is a lot. Where's the recipe?
I don't know, I can't see.
What are we doing? I can't hear you. Where are your cups? Whoa, where are the cups? Maybe in that cup. I can't hear it. I need a bowl! This one. I don't know whose head is that. Guys, I need a bowl! Can anyone hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I need a bowl!
I don't know where the bowls are.
We need sugar. Maybe somewhere. Where's sugar? Do you have sugar?
Oh fuck, what was that? What is that? I don't know what I'm talking to you.
I need sugars!
I want to talk to you, but I can't.
We need to preheat the
Right. Whose goes it though? We gotta do.
What?
You gotta do like this is the cup. So do
What cup?
just. We're doing the full recipe. That whole thing. We're doing half of these. I need brown sugar too. Like around less than 75 grams. And another. Well, I don't know. You just do it. And another. Cause I only put half a cup of sugar in it. We're good. Yeah. So you gotta do 1.5 of a fourth.
Oh, thank you.
But I only put I put half a cup. Oh, that's half. But I only put half a cup of sugar. But that's some. We need another half. But I think all the sugar's gone. Do we still? They took it off of me. I'll do it. Oh yeah. Is there any sugar left? Yeah. Is there any sugar? Okay. Girl, I don't know either.
What?
Too loud! I put the rest of the sugar in. Oh!
Miles!
If we do all the dry stuff first and then like the eggs and
Miles.
What?
What do I do?
What?
What? What do I do?
Ah, sorry. This is bomb right. What?
Shit's getting weird. Shit's getting weird, guys. Shit's getting really weird.
I don't know what's going on. I can't hear anything.
What do I do?
Bro, yours goes next.
What do I do?
She's trying to tell me.
Ah! Fucking nail.
Ah.
Which one am I looking at? This one?
Oh!
Right,
Oh, God,
Is
what's
that?
happening?
I did the sugar. Okay.
Yeah.
There's a B at the start.
Okay, so did you do yours?
Okay. I need butter.
So it's Tyler next.
What's the
But
butter?
Okay.
what?
The BK?
Nah, if we do all the
Am
If
I
we do
allowed
all
the butter?
if we do all the dry stuff first and then the eggs.
What's that mean?
So he's got to do cocoa powder. But we ain't got cocoa powder, we're doing
Must
chocolate.
be
so
the
we
butter.
C.
So if he does baking powder.
Butter.
What's that now? You gotta do this, bro.
Is it? Okay, okay.
Yo, come here. Do you see the pan here? Here. Yeah? This.
What's in it?
This. You gotta get out of that. You gotta open it and get it out of that.
What am I opening? Oh shit, I'm a geezer!
Yeah.
What is it?
Oh, it's baking powder. Don't do much. Put like a little bit on the tablespoon. Yeah. Nah, less. Way less.
We need more.
Less. You're barely getting any of
We
it.
need more, guys. Need
Oh fuck. Get more than that. Right, okay.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that's good enough.
Right, my boy.
Go on, just go. Yay!
Where's this in?
Oh shit, wait, I'm in the. Where do I stand?
Is that so?
You can use oil instead.
So you do the eggs, and he does vanilla extract. Good blazing up, got steaks on deck, like saving up. Can I have some things to dry
Must
my
be the
hands?
butter.
Oh, sorry. Can I have
Hello.
some to dry my
I
hands?
can't
hear anything, mate, I'm sorry. There's a tea towel here. Look, yeah, go, down, yeah.
What the fuck?
Ah!
What the fuck touched me?
It's me, I'm sorry. I'm trying to move.
Yeah!
We need the egg as well. Wash your hands, we don't want salmonella.
Alright, you got that one. That is strong, so if he dollops it, it's done for.
Can I help
You're
that?
sabotaging.
Hi. You okay, Zach?
Magic.
Yeah, I'm not too sure what I'm doing.
Do you want to mix?
Yeah.
Here's the spoon. Here.
What is it? A.
That's the bowl.
So H-A. Okay, let's
Am I
restart.
helping?
Right, just mumble when I
I just
say the
got shit
letter.
on my face.
Oh
A,
my
B, C,
Go and wash it off.
Who just poured something in here?
A, B, C, D,
Someone
E,
just poured something in there.
G,
No,
H,
Mine, what did you do?
A, B, A.
She's trying to put black pepper in it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, L. Okay, so how?
Is our bowl safe?
Half. Half what? Half.
Most of it went on Zach.
Half
You can let her do it.
Is it good?
Huh?
Is it okay?
Just not the white pepper.
Yeah. Okay.
Who the fuck's
This.
I don't know what flour it is. It's on my hand. Because Marv fucking poured something on me.
Huh?
You poured something on my hand.
It was salt.
Not yet, in here.
Bo. Louis. Bo. Pull up. I'm scared you're gonna step on me with those shoes. No!
What is going on?
Put jam in the brownie mix.
Miles, leave me.
Bo.
Leave me.
That's how the cookies.
Yeah, where's their bowl?
Huh?
Where's their bowl?
Protect our bowl! Protect our bowl!
Where's their bowl?
Protect it.
Where is their bowl?
Shut
I
up.
can't
No.
hear. You guys, I don't know where I'm going.
I'm coming back. Huh? It's just not you. Oh! The fuck? That's Lily, isn't it? That Lily.
Do you have jam in there? Huh? Do you have jam in there?
Lily,
No.
fucking move.
They put pasta in
What the
it.
fuck has happened?
Lewis, what you got?
They put pasta in it.
This is you. Oh, what was that? Fuck.
Bitch, I swear to God. Get away. Zach, fight them.
Just let me get some.
Oh, what the fuck?
I'm not. Okay, shield it. Move it.
Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch. I will protect this home with my life. Protect it, Hannah. Ah! I know you're not using it in your Zach.
You put
Don't
jam.
everyone be kind to me, you know?
Anyone got a
Put
towel?
your hand up.
This is the current stance. Stay back, bitch! Who's it? Get away.
You put it in.
There's a camera here, isn't it?
I apologise.
There's a fucking spoon in here. That might have been me.
Peace and love.
Peace and love. Zach, do you want a mix? Yeah. Come here.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to get to the wall.
I can't everything.
Fuck! Do you want me to get the water? I'll get the water filled.
We need more flour. More flour. One mix. That's what
No. Don't be worried out. That should be something.
Oh, right.
Are we done mixing?
Okay.
You try. Hi. More flour. I do. Okay.
My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure.
This is a great playlist.
You're talking. Sorry.
Hannah, is this looking good?
I don't know what you're saying at me.
Is this good?
More mixing. Yours actually looks good.
Thank you.
Can I see that?
Yours looks like.
What the fuck?
I thought you were making brownies. I thought you were making brownies.
I took brownies, yeah. I don't know what you're saying about.
I need to wash my hands now.
Bowl. ooh. This in the bowl.
I need a big
Huh? Why am I wet?
Can I just...
We just gotta melt the dark chocolate while melt this.
How do we melt it?
Are you gonna snort flour?
I don't know if they're using chocolate chips.
Do we have chocolate chips?
Try to
No.
get more if you can.
You don't. We use them. Where's the chocolate chip then?
Yeah, that's good.
I'm waving
Can Lewis get in the microwave?
Can Lewis get in the microwave?
I just washed my hands, by the way.
He ain't fit in that room.
Shake it, shake, 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 shake it.
Oh, what the fuck?
Right,
What is that? Where's the cigarette? Fuck.
What the fuck?
Stop making me wet, man. The fuck? Who are you? What the fuck was on my arm? Fuck away from me, man. I don't know who you are, but I'll kill you. Fuck. Who the fuck is... No. No, I haven't found actually. I don't know what I don't know what you put on my arm, but hold it off. Get the fuck off! Who are you? Is Lily the mute one?
Yeah, Lily's me.
Talk to him. What am I saying? You're a bitch. I've only got a microwave for like 5 seconds. What?
It's just...
You want the butter?
Coffee butter. Your butter.
I have no idea, Bob.
We're supposed to
Do it
preheat
for
the
like
oven.
another 10 seconds.
We still need to preheat the oven, guys.
How's that?
We need to preheat the oven.
Carla, can I hit your big?
I don't know what's going on. Our oven. Our preheat.
I need to go up again.
Nah, you can't.
Swinny. Preheat the oven.
We need a baking tray. Ooh, bitch.
Got my arm.
Huh?
I like sand, bro.
Do we have
Come on, vape.
Preheat the oven.
Lily, can you get Mars?
How does your oven work?
Miles, can I have my vape? My puffy. Miles! Vape.
Hey.
Yes, I put it there. Easy.
Are we not preheating the oven?
Oh, this shit's fucking
What's it?
making me suffocated.
Preheat the oven to what? I'll Google it. There you go. Thank you.
Ah!
We need it to 170.
Oh,
How? God, I don't know.
I have the one and only 24 karat gold Labubu.
It's a pan. Yeah. Do we have any baking paper? You know the brown shit? Which one?
If we butter the pan, then it's...
Where's my vape? Tyler, that's my tray.
Oh fuck, I'm so sorry.
Tyler, that's my tray. You can use that. Just make sure your hands are clean.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because
Yeah, just grease the pan and then you put...
Whoa.
Okay, now.
He stole it. Got my head blue.
Ah, give me my tray back, bro.
Do you want me to do it?
Give me my tray back.
Fuck off, bitch. That's mine. I got
Give me my
it.
tray back.
7 days a week. Wet ass
Where's the
pussy.
tray?
Make that pull up day weak.
I'll fight. Give me my
We
tray
can
back.
scrape them up anyway.
Where's the tray?
Give me everything you got for this wet ass pussy. Head, toes.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Head,
Oh, my arse is
toes,
wet.
knees and toes, knees
fuck?
Baking tray.
Why is it greasy?
It's supposed to be fucking greasy. I don't know. Make a scene. Wait,
Let me tell you how fat this ring. Come on, me swallow me, drip down the side of me. Move.
No.
Move.
No.
I need a drink. You need a drink? Yes.
We can do it now. Do it into like little balls. I need to wash my hands.
Don't let her wash her hands. Quick.
What was that? Who's standing?
Oh, fuck! Oh! What the hell?
Bitch! I just waterboarded Tyler. Oh, you're wet!
And I-
What's that?
It's fruit butts. Fuck. Ah! No!
Oh, Swinny, what did you just... Oh, okay.
That's what I think.
I thought you put butter in my hands. Swinny, where do I
But
put
bad
this?
boy, what you gonna do?
Who the fuck? You.
You bad
Fuck
boy, bad
censor.
boy. What you
Ah,
gonna
you
do? What you
fucking
gonna
fat
do?
prick.
They come for you.
Oh, fuck!
What you gonna do?
Is that someone's
Can
phone?
you hold the pan? It's breaking my wrist, bro.
I'll hold the pan.
Yeah.
Where's the pan?
Wait, put that one back in and do chocolate chips for the rest of them.
Oh,
This guy.
oh shit.
Sing. Do you want some soap? Yes.
You fucker, who did that? That's not Hannah, was it? No. Done? No. Okay.
Is there a tea towel anywhere? What?
I think I threw it at someone.
Brownie little bit.
It's on the floor.
I don't know, I threw it to the I think.
Fuck's sake. We got you. Hannah,
Yours
I
actually
need
looks
a
edible.
tea towel.
Oh, fuck my neck! Oh, I found one.
Okay. What was that? Right, someone's doing
Oh, my arse! Stop! I knew that was you, Lewis. I can tell by your tricky ass fingers.
I got it. Oh, thank you. I love it. One is wet as well. Hi, I've got you, Hannah.
What you gonna do?
What was that?
Lewis. Lewis.
Oh, I got a wet one,
That's
bro.
the oven. That's their pan.
Can you get me some of that?
What's that? Okay, that's. I'm so. Ah! Bitch!
I'll be careful, I'll
We
be
got
careful.
caught in the crossfire. I got
Not skin.
Am I
Yeah, bro. I can just hear stuff. I'm scared.
Shit!
We gotta do it.
I'm literally shaking. I'm scared.
I'm scared we're gonna get hit.
What's
going on?
You guys are my friends.
Don't hit me, guys. Please.
I can't do it!
I keep on hitting myself. Bro. I don't know where I am.
Your
I
hand.
can't do it. Who's fighting?
Yeah. We have to by the oven. It might be hot.
Is it
Ew. Nah, it's not my
Bro, I used to have to do this so
Lewis, can you get me a glass of water, please? Please. Lewis, I know it's you, mate. Lewis, can you get me a glass of water, please?
Bollocks
hurt now.
Oh, look up. Up, me. Back home.
You can't talk.
Pick it up with chopsticks.
It's how?
I don't know what it is, mate.
I'll use his tongue, it's okay.
Oh, great. All of it. Brown.
Are we done?
Are they in the oven?
Is the oven heated enough? Can someone check? It's not, it's not.
Eggs.
Eggs.
Can't speak. You ruined it.
Someone just cut my name in my bar. What's going on? Can someone direct me in the direction of my name?
Ow. You put the slap. Oh! This is great. I'm holding to everything now.
Mikey, I'm buying safe plates. No. No.
That's what it is. Don't cool down my child.
Where'd you go?
Alright, Zach.
Oh, you ruined the
Yes, I'm
basic.
okay.
You ruined the
Are the
basic.
cookies there? Oh, wait.
Yeah, I can feel it.
Look.
Do they look good?
Yeah.
Can we put them in yet? I don't know. Check if the oven's hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Put them in.
Right, everyone, I'm putting the things in now. Separate, wait.
You sit blind all day.
Can I take the headphones off?
Who the fuck is touching my head?
Right, everyone be careful, oven's gonna be open.
Can I take
the headphones off?
Am I away?
Boy.
How long?
Minutes, I'll set a timer.
Okay.
What is it on? Shit, am I not supposed to touch that? Nah, I gotta do harder.
Can I go to the
I
toilet?
love how oblivious I am.
Swinny, can you direct me in the way of the toilet, please? I'm scared.
Can I take the headphones off?
Whoa, we can get that one. Can I take this
Can
off?
you go outside?
Can I take this off?
Oh, we're done. Okay.
No, I feel like I'm just
You can take
getting
them.